YouTube. I am David, and I am supposed to introduce myself to the channel and tell a few fun facts. So here they are. I've been to Lake Quinnell and fished. My brother caught a fish, but it took off the bait and ate the weight, and it swam away. So that's the story of how the big one that got away. And
now let's get to the fun where he eats stuff.
And I am 10 years old.
And I'm his cameraman.
I'm supposed to eat something
10
gross.
years old.
So this is bacon bits, Tabasco sauce, and syrup.
And goldfish.
And I have to eat a spoonful. I'm gonna die now.
Yes. Come on, David.
I'm trying to get a good size.
Don't wuss out.
Okay, here it is.
I can't wait.
I'm gonna open the door so I have a good glimpse of the bathroom.
I'm gonna
3,
follow you.
2, 1.
Run!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Bathroom's right here.
Okay, I swallowed it. Give me water! Oh my god. Disgusting! Oh my god!
Maybe in some video he'll eat something else.
Oh my god. Okay, no. You have to eat some.
Um...
Turn it off!